Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashraj Deepak Kesle, a student of DYPMS. So, my topic is risk management in manufacturing operations. So, in this video, we will exploring the critical role of risk management in manufacturing operations. In a highly competitive and dynamic industry, manufacturers face a wide range of risks that can affect safety, productivity, quality, and profitability. A protective risk management strategy is essential not just for avoiding losses but also for achieving operational excellence and long term sustainability. Understanding operational risk. Operational risk in manufacturing come in many forms. This includes equipment breakdown, supply chain dis- disruptions, workforce challenges, and health and safety hazards. For example, a single malfunctioning machine can halt an entire production line, while delay from a key supplier can impact delivery timelines and customer satisfaction. Understanding this risk is the first step towards effective managing them. The risk management process. The risk management process begins with identifying potential hazards across the operation. This involves conducting regular inspection, collecting incident reports, and using real-time data for LOT sensors. Once risks are identified, they are assessed based on their likelihood and impact. Manufacturers often use tools like failure mode of effectiveness analysis or FMEA to optimize that risk requirement immediate action. Mitigation and prevention strategies. To mitigate operation risk, manufacturer implements a range of strategies. This includes preventive maintenance schedules, employee training programs, and contingency planning. Technology also plays a key role. Smart sensors, automated systems, and predictive analysis help identify problem before the escalates. Diversifying suppliers and ensuring strict quality control standards are also vital in reducing vulnerabilities. Monitoring and continuous improvement. Risk management is not a one time activity, it requires constant monitoring and improvement. Key performance indicators or KPIs help track the effectiveness of risk control measurement. Regular reviews and audits and real-time dashboards enables manufacturers to stay ahead of emerging risk and make data-driven decisions. Most importantly, forecasting a strong risk-aware culture among employees ensure that safety and effectiveness go hand in hand. In conclusion, I will like to tell effective risk management is the backbone of versatile and successful manufacturing operations. By identifying risk early, applying the right mitigation strategies, and leveraging technology, manufacturers can ensure smooth production, protect their workforce, and deliver high quality products. Thank you for watching and remaining. Managing risk is not just about avoiding problems, it's about building a smarter and safer future for operations. Thank you.